Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a coffin dance meme with Premiere Pro. And the first thing we need is the content, the clips we want to use for the video. So for the dancing, I prefer this clip. You can search it up on YouTube. We have good parts in this clip. I think for my memes I used this part in the beginning, but you can use every part you want. Just find the part that fits the best for you. And yeah, so we need this clip, so we just copy the link. And now you need to download the video. I use a German website. So I passed the link, and now I can download the video. It takes some time because the video is a bit longer. And I want to show you also the other popular scene that's in this video of BBC, where the dancers are standing and looking into the camera. This one is also very popular. Now we need like the song, so just search up Astronomia on YouTube, and now we just need to download this as well. Just say MP3 and download. So okay. So now we have the song and the part where the coffin dancers are dancing. So the last thing we need is now the part in the beginning of the video where something, crazy happens, where it looks like somebody's going to die or something. So what fits very good for this purpose are near death GoPro videos or something like that. Maybe we just take this video. I already used it in one of my memes. You can see the bridge isn't that high and he is alive. We can take this clip, so just copy it and also download it. Okay, so now the video clip has downloaded, and now we can start editing. So first you just paste your clips into Premiere Pro. And now we're going to look at this clip first. We just need to find the part we want to use. So I think here's the... So I found the beginning. So now you hit C and you can cut the clip. And now we need to find the part where it has to switch to the dancing coffin people. So we need to zoom in a bit, and now we can just look where we want to switch to the other part. I think this is a good spot. So I can cut it. Now we can, you hit V, and now you can click on the other parts of the clip and just delete them. So now we have the first part of our clip. Just drag it to the front. Okay. Now we need to find the part of the dancing that we want to use. I would say you have to delete the part of the music firstly. So now we can look for the dancing part we want to use. Okay, maybe we start here. So hit C again and cut. And then just, yeah, maybe we cut here. Most of the time those memes aren't that long and people don't want to watch the dancing for very long. So we just delete this part and this part. And now we just need the music. You can put the parts together, we can look at it. Maybe you can also delete the music from here. So you have to disconnect the sound part from the video part, and then you can delete it. Maybe we can have a first look. Yeah, I think this looks good. So now we just need the music. So okay, now we need to find the part we want. Here needs to be the change of the clips. So I just delete a bit of the front of the video of the sound and just put it in here, and now we need to align it that it fits. Okay. The front is too long, so we just need to get rid of it. Okay, and now just zoom in a bit. So now you can drag this back to the front so it fits with the beginning. Just cut the end. So hit C again, cut it, hit V again, and just delete the end. And now let's look at it. It's like personal preference if you what timing you want the most. Let's just look at it and see if it's good. I think we can work with it. I think it's also quite nice that the sound of the song fits to the steps they are making, so it's like synchronized. And yeah, there you go. That's how you create a coffin meme. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Like for more content, more memes are coming, also maybe other memes in the future, because I don't know how long the coffin memes will survive. I hope they will survive a bit longer, and I'm also going to make some variations of the coffin memes, but yeah, I'm happy for all the subscribers that I gained the last month. It's just crazy, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.